Hitler.
Hitler.
Hi, Kaiser.
Go away. Peasant.
Up. Come here. Setz. Gib hopp. Platz.
Platz.
That's my good baby.
He's giving you the good position.
He's Brittany. She just took a shower, so ignore the weird hair. She's eating too.
Yeah.
And that's my dog Kaiser. He replies to German because he's a German Shepherd.
Hey, Hitler.
Well, that's not the reason, but
Hitler.
yeah, you get it.
Hitler.
Hitler.
Go, peasant. Go.
We don't know why we call him
Peasant.
Hitler. It's something
Go
with
away.
the word Kaiser and everything.
Go away. Go bomb. Go give your little sleep bombs to children. Jews.
Kaiser. Kaiser, come here. Kaiser. Come here.
Oh, he just got done killing 5 babies.
Setzen. Kaiser, setz. Setz. That's my good baby.
Wait, we learn about Hitler and like Jews and stuff like that next try?